Story of the Parrots and the Bird. This one is quite popular. It centers around a man who lived in Hyderpur and owned a lot of parrots. He was devoted to his parrots and fed them a wide variety of foods. The man went to the store and bought a new gorgeous bird which he took home. When the parrots saw that lovely bird, they were envious. As a result, all of the parrots devised a plot to assassinate the bird. When the bird was attacked by parrots, the guy saw it and intervened to save the bird. The man abandoned the parrots in the wild because of their bad behavior. Moral of the story: the story reminds us that being envious of others may lead to self-harm.